Hey everybody, my name is Santina. Welcome back to another BEKA Connect video today. I have the pleasure to introduce you our new stand-up and raising lift, the NORA Pro. And NORA Pro comes with a lot of features and benefits, which I'm going to introduce to you now. First of all, I'd like to show you our 3D comfort system, which consists of this big multi-layered memory foam leg support cushion. And the cushion has two swivel points, which allow a very ergonomic standing and raising movement for the patient that's being transferred with the NORA Pro. We offer the NORA Pro in two different colorways. Here you can see the color Rubin, and this is a very dementia sensitive color because, as you can see, all the contact points the resident has with the lifter are in a very high contrasting red tone. And alternatively, we offer the NORA Pro in this colorway, Barolo. The NORA Pro is made out of lightweight aluminum, which makes it very easy to maneuver around. And we also use a new strong lithium-ion battery system. You can remove the battery very easily, as you can see here. And we have double controls, one set on the control panel and the other one on the hand control. Another nice feature are these fixed retractable safety belts we have for each leg, so you never have to worry about losing them. Also, the footplate of the NORA Pro is removable, which offers some very nice therapy options. NORA Pro comes with 4 sling attachment points, the 2 in the front for tall residents and these 2 additional ones for smaller residents. It also comes with 2 hand grip possibilities, as you can see here on the side and underneath. Now I'm going to bring Melly into the ergonomic standing position, and as you can see now, her legs are very well supported by our 3D comfort system. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any more questions on the NORA Pro, do not hesitate to contact me or anyone from the BEKA team. Have a nice day and bye-bye.